Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I become engineer. This is first video I am front of in this video in this channel. Okay, uh, so let's get start. Uh, Today's topic is in this video what happen if the neutral wire breaks. What happen if the neutral wire breaks? Okay, we all use electricity every single day. Lights, fans, TV, refrigerator, mobile chargers, everything depends on it. But there is one wire in our house wiring that most people completely ignore. That wire is the neutral wire. Today we are going to understand what is the neutral wire, why it's so important, and what really happens if the neutral wire breaks. This is very practical and dangerous topic. By the end of this video you will clearly understand why the failures can destroy appliances, even cause fire. So let's begin. Basic concept: house wiring. First, let's understand the basics. In a typical single-phase supply used in homes, we have mainly three wires: phase wire, neutral wires, earth wire. The phase wire carries voltage from the supply, neutral wires provide return path of the current, and the earth wire is mainly for safety during fault condition. Now, many people believe the neutral wire is not important because it has a zero voltage, but that is big misunderstanding. Sec, uh, Second point is why neutral wire is important. Neutral wire is extremely important because it's complete the electric circuit. It helps to maintain stable voltage across the appliances. Without a proper neutral connection, voltage control becomes unstable, and that is where problems begin. Normal condition. Under normal condition, phase neutral are properly connected. Appliances receive correct voltage. In most home, this voltage around 220 to 230 volts. Because of this, appliances work smoothly, safely, and efficiently. What if the neutral wire breaks? Now imagine this situation. Neutral wire becomes loose or break completely. This can happen due to loose connection, burnt terminal, overheating, poor wiring quality, or sometimes due to external supply problems. Now here come the most important part of this video: voltage imbalance, the real danger. When the neutral wire breaks, the system becomes unbalanced. This creates dangerous condition called voltage imbalance. Let me explain. Very simple. In many homes, multiple appliances are connected in parallel. When neutral is healthy, voltage distributes normally. But when neutral breaks, the load effectively gets connected in series. Because of this reason, voltage does not divide equally. Some appliances receive low voltage, other appliances receive very high voltage. Extreme cases, this voltage can go close to 400 volts, and 400 volt is enough to dangerous electronics device instantly. So next point is practical sign of you may notice. This is why during natural neutral failure, some bulbs glow very bright or some bulbs become very dim. This uneven brightness is a clear warning sign of neutral failure. Next point, effect of neutral failure. Now let's talk about the real damage. Effect 1: appliances damage. Sensitive electronics device like television, laptop charger, mobile charger, LED bulbs, refrigerator, washing machine. These are designed for normal voltage only. High voltage can burn internal circuit within second. Second effect, overheating. Motors and compressor may be overheat due to abnormal voltage. This reduces their lifespan and may cause permanent damage. Effect 3: fire risk. In several cases, wire overheat, insulation melt, spark may occur. This can lead serious fire hazard. So natural neutral failure is not small issue, it is a major safety risk. Next point, how to identify neutral failure. Some common wiring signs include light suddenly become very bright or dim, fans running usually fast or slow, appliances shutting down randomly, burning smell from the device, burning. So if you any of these sign, immediately switch off the main supply. Call qualified electrician. Never ignores this warning. Okay. So my next point is why neutral wire breaks. Let's understand the common reason. Loose connection. Loose screw increase resistance which produce heat and burn the wire. Second, overloading. Continuous high current weakens connection over time. Poor quality wiring. Low grade wire fail faster. Internal supply neutral failure. Sorry, external supply neutral failure. Sometimes the problem is from the electricity provider side, affecting many homes. Prevention method. Here's how can stay safe. Always good quality wiring. Ensure proper tightening of terminals. Perform periodic inspection of distribution box. Maintain proper earthing. Use voltage protector or surge protector for sensitive device. Prevention always better than repair. Okay. And the next topic is neutral versus earth. Oh, important difference. Mainly people confuse these two. Neutral wire carries current during normal operation. Okay. And earth wire carries current only during fault condition. Okay. They are not same and serve different purposes. This concept extremely important for student and technician. Okay. So final summary. Let's summarize everything in simple words. Neutral wire is not just a written part. It's essential for voltage stability. If neutral breaks, voltage become unbalanced. Appliances may receive high voltage. Electronics can be damaged. Fire risk increases. So always treat neutral wire as a critical part of the electric system. My next point is practical safety tip. Okay. If you see lights flickering abnormally or glowing too bright, don't ignore it. Switch off the main supply immediately and get wiring check. Electrical safety is extremely important. Okay. And in the last, I hope this video help you understand the importance of neutral wire and its simple practical way. If you found this useful, so please like in this video, subscribe to the channel and share it with other. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next video. Thank you very much. Thank you.